Gabby,
Yeah.
is that you?
Yeah. Did you put your
Yeah,
seatbelt?
we are, ano, I don't know where is that.
Is that the open?
We're all buckled. Is it a buckle? We're all buckled. Am I sitting on one of them?
Yeah.
Probably. We're all buckled up. Ano, isang kulor sang ano pa babae.
Ah.
Gabby?
Gabi, how many videos do you have? That's too much.
Tapos si Carl, sila tay, imit na lang tayo. Dito tay. Tay,
Kung ano nila.
ha?
Sa din. Sana.
Oo. Hindi ka man sila masugat kay magamay man ang salakyan. Nakaubos na.
Unless take out.
Mhm. Pwede din dalhin sa bahay.
Oo. Sa balay na lang ito.
Pwede man. Order ka.
Pwede mo mag-order. Ano ang order o to abe? Kung dito kita mag-ano nga mo-order kita, daw hindi man yun. Reasonable.
Mas gusto
Ang
ko pa
pagkaon.
itong one. Itong din-or luman.
Naman natis.
Ama to?
Hindi.
Itong din-order ta?
Oo. Gusto niyo naman may ribs
Ayan naman.
dito, may replace. Ayan nga, pwede kita ka-order nga ito go lang. Dito na lang sa balay. May ara man sila ng manamay ang ilang barbecue chicken.
Okay.
Para ano, kag may salad man sila dira.
Something light, diba?
Yeah. Never a dull moment here in downtown Chicago, right?
What is it?
Never a dull moment in downtown Chicago. All the time. I wonder how was it yesterday with that storm?
Oh, traffic was terrible.
Oh my God.
Yesterday and the day before yesterday.
Yep, it's 2 days in a row. That storm.
Is there a time that downtown Chicago was
What is it?
hit by a tornado?
No, not.
No, because
the
all the
first
buildings.
I think the buildings dissolves it.
You see trees falling down, but that's
Where was the tree falling down from?
Some places, even the day before yesterday, a lot of streets had.
What street is this? Is this Euron?
Coming broke.
Is this Chicago Ave?
Hmm?
This street is Chicago, right? Chicago Ave?
Yeah, Chicago Avenue. Yeah.
Going out to, yeah. You know why, tatay? Because this is where we used to, or we take when we take up to Luris. Luris lang and north. It's Northwestern, right? The closest?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
yeah.
Luris Children, then Northwestern.
That one is
What is it? School of... Okay.
Yeah, Northwestern.
but the big, what is campus is in Evanston in the suburb. That one is very big.
Yeah. The campus in the south.
41 on Lakeshore is the same, yeah.
Yeah.
During the Chicago, what is this? Air and water show. Oh my God, this is horrible in here too. Traffic. You can see it in here, the air and water show that they do. Galing niya sumingit ah.
Wala nagkakababa ang telepon niya sa
Wala
charge
man.
tapos kuha tapos charge tapos kuha.
Apat naman. Lapit mo lang. Oo. Traffic. Tingnan mo
Mga
na,
boats here.
na mga party boats.
A lot of boats here.
Ganun,
Looks like the beach here.
Hmm?
Beach.
I don't know what beach is this.
It's lecture the beach.
Yeah, there's
During the
one,
lake and water.
Oak Street Beach.
Yeah. Tapos ang diri kinahangan kabalo sa mga lilikuan kay mataalam kapag
Yun ang ayoko pumunta ng downtown doon.
Mm.
One time sugat ng day man ng nanet. 1 hour ako sa Union Station, paikot-ikot. Kasi sabi ko, nasa
ano man sila sa ilang obra.
ay, Diyos ko.
Doon kagamukat ng ilang
Magkamo to niya.
Ila to nga trip.
Grabe itong nagasto nila kasi malimot-limot sila eh. Wala
Wala mo kwarta. Na games in Dainese ang iyang
Agay na sa iya. Tapos kasi na siya nga walang tawon niya. Hindi man siya mabala magpakal. Nang maninay Glenna. Tapos dala-dala niyo tanan yung nga kwarta.
cash gid ya.
Oo, cash ka dyan.
Philippine money.
Hindi.
$2.
Oo.
Sis Maria, maawa siya ginambala niya mangkot kung pila ang dala niya sa kwarta. Basi na mo
Pero wala siya iya.
Wala siya credit card eh.
Card.
Yeah.